Are you one of the millions struggling with sleepless nights? In our fast-paced world, quality sleep has become a luxury that seems out of reach for many. It's not just about clocking in the hours, but experiencing deep, restful slumber. Yet, hope is not lost. Mother Nature has provided us with a bounty of natural remedies that can help us reclaim our sleep. Stay tuned as we explore 3 proven and effective herbal remedies that promote better sleep. First on our list is a classic chamomile. This humble herb, with its delicate, daisy-like flowers, has been soothing restless minds and lulling people into peaceful slumbers for centuries. Chamomile's secret lies in its natural calming properties, making it a popular and effective remedy for insomnia. It's like a lullaby in a cup. Preparing chamomile tea is as easy as steeping a handful of flowers or a tea bag in boiling water for about 10 minutes. As you sip it slowly, let the warmth and the gentle apple-like aroma wash over you. Allow the tranquility to seep in, coaxing your body into a state of relaxation. So next time you're struggling to sleep, a warm cup of chamomile tea might be just what you need. Next, we have an aromatic remedy, lavender. This fragrant herb is more than just a pretty plant. Known for its calming properties, lavender has been used for centuries to promote a sense of tranquility and restful sleep. Scientific studies have shown that the scent of lavender decreases heart rate and blood pressure, preparing your body for sleep. So how can you incorporate lavender into your nightly routine? One way is through lavender oil. Add a few drops to a diffuser and let the soothing aroma fill your room. Or, for a truly relaxing experience, add some lavender oil to a warm bath before bedtime. The warmth combined with the calming scent will help you drift off to sleep. The soothing scent of lavender might be the missing piece in your bedtime routine. Last but not least, valerian root. This humble herb has been used for centuries to promote sleep and relaxation. Valerian root works its magic by increasing levels of a chemical known as gamma-aminobutyric acid in the brain. This chemical has a direct influence on our mood and state of mind, helping to reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calm. Consuming valerian root is a breeze. You can enjoy it as a soothing tea, or if you prefer, you can take it in supplement form. Just remember, it's best consumed right before bedtime. So, if counting sheep isn't cutting it, why not give nature's own sleep aid a try? Valerian root might be the potent sleep aid you've been seeking. Remember, a good night's sleep is within your grasp. Chamomile, lavender, and valerian root can be your allies in this journey. Good sleep is crucial for your health. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Here's to a restful night's sleep.